Hi guys, we are back today with another video. In this video I will tell you how to professionally use Shortcut video editor. The first step that we do in Shortcut is how to add a video. First, we go to the timeline, then we go to the track operations, then we select add video track. Here are also some shortcut keys here. Control I is used to direct add a video track. Now we have added the video track. Now let's add some video in this. Now we have to just scroll down the video into the editor. Now the video has come. Now let's scroll it back a bit. Look, whole video is inserted. Now the second step is which I'm going to teach you today is how to add a logo. If you are making a video or something and you are a YouTuber, so you must also know how to add a logo into the video. So I'm gonna simply add another video track by using the timeline option. Now here's my logo here. I'm gonna scroll it down into the video track that I have just added. Now the logo is very small, it applies to very short time interval of video. Now I'm gonna make it to apply to whole video. Now we can see that the logo is very big. Now we have to edit it. So for this we click, well, first we will select the track, then we will click on filters, then the plus option is available as you can see to add a filter. We'll click on it, then we will go to the size, position and rotate option. Now when we have come to the size, position and rotate option, now we can adjust it anywhere we want. We can small it down its size, and I have attached it to the top corner. Now as you can see that my logo is applied to the top. Now let's play the video and see the effects. As you can see that now the logo is applied and it will come in the video, and the video is also playing and the logo is also shown. In this way you can apply a logo. And if you want to remove the track, just press the shortcut key Control Alt U and all the track will be removed. Now I will tell you how to add multi windows on a single screen. You have to add 4 video tracks because I am adding 4 videos to a single screen, so you will have to add 4 video tracks. In this I have added 4 video tracks, and now I will scroll down to the bottom, the first video track, which is V1. Now let's go to the videos folder. Now I'm gonna step by step start adding the videos, starting from bottom then to the top. Yeah, I have audio video here to the video track V1. Now we will move towards the video track V2. Now we have added the second video. Now we are gonna add the third video to the third video track V3. Now last video V4. Let's add it. Scroll it down to the start. Now we will select the last video that we have added. Go to the filters and select the size, position and rotate option. Now we are gonna rotate. Now crop the video. As you can see, I have cropped the video to the bottom. Now let's adjust where I have going to adjust it. Yeah, I have adjusted on the top corner. Now let's come to the second video. This is the same way. Go to the filters, the plus option. Now size, position and rotate. And now crop it to the top left corner. Here it is. Adjust it a little bit. Now let's come to the third video. Select the size, position, rotate option. Again crop it and to the bottom left corner. Now only one video remaining, that's V4. We go to the V4, crop it down to the right bottom corner. As you can see that, let's adjust a little bit of it. Now all the videos are added and we start them from the start. As you can see, all the videos are running at the same time and it's a single screen and multi videos are running. But as you can see that it will be very noisy if all the audio videos are running. So it is option to mute or unmute a selected track by shortcut key Control M. We are gonna press the Control M shortcut key, and there is also an option of unmute beside the track. You can also click it or press the shortcut key. It's gonna mute it. Now let's mute 3 videos so that we can only listen to a single video. Now we have muted 3 videos and we will be able to hear the audio of only one video. Now there is only one video that we can hear and the rest 3 are muted, but their picture will be moving but we would not be able to hear its audio. Now in this step I'm gonna tell you how to add audio to a video. Go to track operations and select the audio track from the timeline. Now let's first add a let's find a video. Here we are. Now we are going to drag the video to the video track V1. Now let's add the audio. Let's go to the folder. Here now we're gonna add the video track. Here we have added a audio. Here we have added the audio track. As you can see that the audio track is added. Now we are gonna mute the video and we will gonna be only able to hear the audio track. Now the video is muted and the audio track that we have added in the video, we can hear it. Now I'm gonna tell you how to edit the audio that you have added. Go to select that audio track, go to the filter, select the audio. Then now we are gonna add the equalizer 3, bass and treble. You have seen many videos in YouTube that bass boost is strong and that. Now we are gonna add that bass boosted to this audio. You can see the audio meter that it has reached to the red. This means that a bass has been added to this audio. Now you can see there are many other options that can be added to this audio. In this way you can add the audio to the video and edit the audio in this way. Now I'm going to remove all the video and the audio. Now another example I'm going to give you is, first we add the video, then we will add the audio. In this part of the video I will tell you how to use the ripple and delete option. First we have added the video. Now we will add the audio by adding the audio track, not the video track, the audio track. Now we will have to add the audio. Now in the ripple and delete option you can see that I have added a video and then I add the audio, but the audio is not exactly beneath the video, it is separated from the video. This is the option of ripple and delete, but if we off this option then you can see that now the audio is beneath the video. That is why this option is used, that when you want to add images separately to the video, in this way this option can be used. It's a very useful option. Now I will tell you how to split a video. As you can see the slip option above here. Now by clicking this split option we can split the video, or by using the shortcut key S. Now we can move the splitted video to any point. Let's close the ripple and delete option. Now let's give you a demonstration. As you can see that we have splitted the audio. Now this splitted audio can be moved separately from the original audio, because now it's not a part of it. If you want to keep it together you can keep it together. You can, if you want to keep it at the start or at the end or in the track, you can do it. It can be scrolled down to at any point, even it in the audio or any other point, at the end or at the start. Now this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.